G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns in the stone. Go in a bit closer so you get a better look. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. Here's the pieces as they were presented earlier. Haven't moved them. Like I say, the rules in millimetres, so you get an idea of the size of the pieces. Just quickly run through some of them. Some are better than others, of course. There's a lot more pieces here to go through. I think that gives you a good idea. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.